Good morning, guys. I was not sure it was recording. Okay, so it's been a long time since I did a video. Last time I tried to record another printer I got, but it just did not go well. So after quite a while, I decided to invest in the Brother stencil printer. So I got this kit from S8 and we are going to unbox it. So normally commissioning. Check out the science behind our product at S8. We have, so this is the first time I unboxed it. I received this as is a couple of days ago. So we have S8 red soap, which has a pump and a bec verseur, a thingy to you know, put it down. Then we have the transfer gel. We have a pump also and a squeezable top. Squeezable top, I think. What the hell? There's a needle cleaner. So I guess that you use this instead of distilled water to clean up your needles. Didn't know that existed. And a pump and a twisty thing to sorry, it's oh, right here, 8 ounces. I wasn't sure. Those are 8-ounce bottles, and this one says shake before use, add 3 to 4 pumps to 6.5 ounce of water. So if you take a rinse cup like this, I think that's like 2 ounces maybe. So it'll be like 2 pumps. No, 1 pump. I don't know. We have the S8 Commit to Ink pamphlet, which explains what you have in the kit. The transfer gel, the paper, the needle cleaner. Needle groupings. Sense of crossing or muddying colors. Okay, so that's not like when you want to sterilize your needle. That's just when you are tattooing, the needle cleaner. The S8 tattooing gel in a 2-ounce tub. Yeah. Is a sealant for the stencils to prevent smearing a stencil line. It is also a topical lubricant and matte finish barrier that decreases glare. Oh, that's nice. Reduces needle burn and improve ink saturation. Okay. Product safety guide, which I usually never read, but I'm gonna do this time. Commit to Ink. Quick printing guide for S8 stencil printer, Bluetooth and airprint. I got the airprint one because I have my iPad. Wireless printer setup. Download Brother drives to only if using a computer. Okay. Turn on unit. May enjoy the device can now utilize wirelessly via direct Wi-Fi. Let's download the cell phone. Oh. Okay. Download both Brother drivers for printer model and operating system. Okay, but if I only use an iPad, what do I do? Oh, this is going to be a pain in my brain. Okay. transfer paper. Yep. So we have 100 units of red stencil paper, which is supposed to be better for details, and when you're tattooing, you can clearly see the difference between the red ink from the stencil, from the transfer paper to the ink from the tattooing ink. And okay, so I have that USB to thingy. This is to plug in the machine. $15 volt. Okay, so I watched the video from that tattoo show where they talk about this printer, and I think it's Paul, the one with the dreads, that said that if you have an output of 15 volts, sometimes the paper will jam because it's too powerful for this machine. And he recommends using another power supply, power switching adapter to that is like 12 volts, so that the power is not as high and the paper doesn't get shrinkled or eaten by the machine. I don't know. We're gonna find out. And this is the connector that goes in there and goes to the North American plugs, because I am in Canada. Okay. Yeah, I'm a Canadian, eh? And this is the actual printer. So I got this because, as you can see, it is small and portable. So if I have to go, like sometimes I want to switch place, or if I go to a special client's house because of special needs or whatever, then I can take this with me easily because it's a pocket jet. That's why. It's the PJ-773 pocket jet brother stencil printer, and this one has the S8, I think, put on here. I don't know if there's batteries in this, because I don't know if it's the same, but this is the kit. I went on Amazon and I looked it up, and they do sell this printer, and the reviews were awful. But they said that it was way too expensive for what it was. But the price on Amazon, which is everybody can go and buy. I got this from a tattoo distributor, so it's not the same thing. And the kit was the same price as just the printer on Amazon. So I have all these extra stuff for the same price. Oh, and look at my merch. Look at my merch. This is my merch. This is my merch. My design, pure Elaine Grossinger design. I love tentacles. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna try and have this work, and I'll be back to tell you what my experience was like, because last time I tried to set up a printer is the Epson EcoTank inkjet laser printer, and it was awful. I started crying. I had to call my friend, and my friend came. It took like 3 days, and when I changed my Wi-Fi, it shut it again. I had to redo it, and I have a lot of problem with that printer. Love it. Love the stencils that come out of it. Hate the printer. That's gonna be another video. So yeah, and I'll be back with the printer thingy. Okay, so sorry for my look. I'm looking disheveled because I had to think. It took me about an hour to set up this printer thingy. It seems quite easy. I think it's just that I'm not very tech savvy. So this one, the airprint, you have to fire it up and push the Wi-Fi button, and then on your iPad you have to go get the Wi-Fi, direct Wi-Fi from this printer, put the password in, and it's a Wi-Fi, it's a different Wi-Fi. So when you do go on the Wi-Fi for the printer, you lose your Wi-Fi. So you have to go change the Wi-Fi to get to this printer. So that's one thing I did not understand. Second thing is my iPrint and Scan Brother application did not recognize PJ-773 machine. I was like, what the huh? Because this is a Brother machine. See? Brother machine. And the Brother app didn't support this machine. I was like, what the huh? So what they say is that when printing an image, make sure the PJ-773 is selected as your printer. No, make sure that PJ-773 is selected as your Wi-Fi. After that, you go into iPrint and Scan. You can select the machine. It recognizes the machine as a Brother machine, but it won't do that if you're not on the Wi-Fi of the printer. And then you can print. So I used Cheap Print Chinese. First time I tried with the yellow sheet. I tried without the yellow sheet. I tried putting the sheet on the other way, and then I forgot to get the page guard off, so it printed on the page guard like that. And then I got the page guard off, and it printed on the stencil paper. But it's not that bad, you know. It's like a good quality. I mean, this is cheap paper. I didn't use the S8 red paper to do my my tries out, because I didn't want to use good paper that cost a lot of money to you know, just trying to figure out how this machine works. But I mean, it's not that bad. It's not like as crisp and clear as the EcoTank's inkjet laser, not laser, inject, EcoTank inject Epson thingy. It's not as clear, but this is cheap paper. But it is a lot of details, so it's a good alternative to my Epson if my Epson doesn't work, or if I have to go to another location. Like eventually, I hope I'm gonna do conventions and competitions and things like that. So this is a good alternative to that, because you just plug it in. Whoops, the cord is gone. Anyway, you just plug it in. I don't need internet on my Apple iPad. I just have to use the Wi-Fi from the printer, so I can print out of my car, because there are lighter adapters for this for USB thingy. So I just need a USB and I can print out of it, you know. So that's good. I mean, I can print anywhere. And like I said, the stencils are very good compared to normal thermal machine, but not as good as the EcoTank's inkjet machine. So yeah, I'm gonna try it out with a real red paper stencil when I do have a tattoo to do, because this is not this is a design I made for fun, and it's currently available. But yeah, I'm not tattooing anybody today, so. And I I understood how to put this together. Yay! Oh, and check out the merch. Check out the merch. Yeah. So that was my vlog slash unboxing slash trying to figure out how this works slash video. If you liked it, subscribe, hit the notification bell, do all that kind of stuff that I forgot that I have to do and say at the end of videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!